I think I actually went insane. I got a lot of stuff. Oh my god. Okay, masmoudi. God, everything looks so pretty. Samsa it. Next up, Samsa fake ya heavy. The cutest packaging ever. So cute. خليتش برشا like شوية من كل شيء. So هيك كعك الورقة. هذا يويو. ما كاينيش يويو رمضان كامل. I had to get these. Next up are these two boxes. غريبة. غريبة. Super yummy. Lastly we have this assorted box. Assortment of samsa. But I think no واحدة بركة بالشوكولا I think بعثولي. I thought they had more. I think وفيولهم. هي سيبا غراب عندك زيت سمسة معناها 4 كعبات هكا كاهو فيهم شوكولا. فما واحدة فيها okay فما واحدة inside of it has like chocolate hazelnut fondant samsa. Okay. Oh my god, they put in a little note. The second package is from Lindates. This is the first time I buy from them. It's an online store that sells luxury dates, and they gave me this. I don't know what it is, but anyways, thank you. حليها بتمرة. حليها بتمرة. This is like the main box. Premium chocolate medjool dates. I'm super excited. I can't wait to try this. I don't know what it is, but it's like pistachios. Maybe other types of nuts. I hope it's chocolate on the inside, but let's unbox these. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Oh my god, this looks so good. That's covered in chocolate. This smells so good and tasty. Hello. Oh my goodness. Hazelnut coffee, walnut and fig. Qamar al-Din is what it's called. Medjool date filled with almond and Qamar al-Din, enrobed in Belgian gold caramel chocolate. Mafrouke or something like that, I'm not sure. Orangetta. I'm assuming it has oranges. Orange peel, enrobed in Belgian dark chocolate, and this one is feuilletine, crunchy feuilletine, enrobed in Belgian milk chocolate. Okay, fun. The first stop is Lindt. We got some gourmet truffles. These are like assorted chocolates, truffle chocolates. Then we wanted to try the Dubai style chocolate. So we got that, and then they gave us these. See, oh my god, this smells so good. They look so good. Ugh. So my sister got me the prettiest flowers ever. She just surprised me with this gorgeous bouquet. Look at these. She also surprised me with this perfume. I've been wanting to get this for the longest time ever, and she just got it for me. How cute is that? I can't wait to unbox this, but first let's put the flowers in their vases. Nice. Time to unbox this. Yeah, it's on. Thank you, sister. If you're watching this, I love you. Yay!